Did you know some of your favorite fruits are not only tasty, but also kidney-friendly? It's true, eating well for your kidneys doesn't have to be boring. Here's how to mix flavor and health the smart way. First up, pineapple and bananas. Yeah, they're slightly higher in oxalates than some other fruits, but still totally safe for a low oxalate diet. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin C and potassium, so you don't have to compromise on nutrition or taste. Berries next. Blackberries and blueberries come in at just 2 milligrams of oxalates per half cup. That means you can toss them in a smoothie or salad for a boost of antioxidants, all while keeping your oxalate intake in check. Don't overlook apples and pears. They've got only 1 to 2 milligrams per fruit. Snack on them, slice them into oatmeal, or bake them into a dessert. They're versatile, full of fiber, and gentle on your kidneys. Craving something more tropical? Papaya, mango, and honeydew melon have oxalate levels at or below 1 milligram per serving. These choices add variety and keep your meals exciting, so your diet never feels like a chore. Let's not forget watermelon and cantaloupe. With high water content and low oxalates, they're perfect for staying hydrated and satisfying sweet cravings, especially on hot days. Stone fruits like apricots, nectarines, peaches, and plums are also winners. Less than 1 milligram of oxalate each, with all the juiciness you crave. Remember, even healthy fruits have natural sugars, so moderation is key. Enjoy a rainbow of flavors and keep your kidneys smiling.